plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and
Kanya anak ti apo at natanunan man yung dating tawin mo, may kapito nga tawin.
And this is it, anak ko, yung wish mo na birthday, na hindi man tayo mayaman, anak ko, pero gagawin namin lahat ng papa mo.
Hindi mayaman tayo kada mami, ni mama, hindi tayo kakasinsin mo.
Thank you for coming for my birthday. And thank you for bringing me a present of every time my birthday.
Mami Malumo, Mami Viola, kasi you are so precious, you're adorable, and napakasweet mong bata. Happy blessed birthday, Bernice. We love you, and I pray that you will grow stronger. Talagang napakabuti ng Lord kasi yung hindi ko naranasan nung bata ko, gusto ko iparanas sa'yo dahil alam kong nakaka-proud na mag-celebrate ka ng ganitong klaseng birthday.
So God is so good. So mag-share pa natin po ng brings victory. And here is the victory, the fruit of our labor is not in vain talaga. And God is truly amazing in our lives.
I love you very much to the moon and back. Napaka-sweet mong bata. And continue, anak ko, yung ginagawa mo yan.
Tutuloy mo ka rin na proud ka rin hindi makasalsaluhan na tagtao.
Praise God. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I am so happy that you come true.
Love you, Mami. Manu loves you. God bless.
I love you, anak ko. Kagsing-sing ko na kanayon.
Alam kong malayo mararating. God bless you, anak ko. I love you very, very much.
What I have today and for my birthday, and I feel different.